Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get the GM title in chess.com. You cannot earn the Grandmaster title directly on chess.com. The title is officially awarded by FIDE, not by chess.com. Chess.com only displays the GM title if you already earned it in real life chess. To become a real Grandmaster, you need to reach a FIDE rating of 2,500 points. This is your official international rating. It must match that grade at some point. Also, you need to earn 3 GM norms. Norms are like high performance achievements. You must perform at GM level in 3 official tournaments and play in FIDE rated tournaments, but only official events, and you need to face strong titled players. So on chess.com, if you are a real GM, chess.com gives you a badge of Grandmaster. Your account gets title next to your name and verified status. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.